Have you heard about hemorrhoids, varicose vein? If yes, that means you must have heard about Daflon. Daflon is one of those medication or those drugs prescribed for hemorrhoids and varicose vein. Although Daflon can also be used for other major indications, but these are hemorrhoids and varicose vein treatment are one of the major uses of Daflon. My name remains Pharmacist.Ezekiel. I'm here to bring you another health-informed tip, another medicine-informed tip. And if you are watching on YouTube, please subscribe. On TikTok, please follow me. Instagram, Facebook, please follow me. Thank you. Let's go into the major subject of today, Daflon. Daflon is a generic name that has the combination of two major ingredients. I'm not talking about the excipients, the bulking agents. I'm talking about two major API, active pharmaceutical ingredients. It contains what we call diosmin and hesperidine. It contains 90% of diosmin and 10% of hesperidine. It is a venoactive medication used to improve blood flow in the vein. It normally contains, like I said, diosmin and hesperidine. Some of the medication has about 450 milligram of diosmin and 50 milligram of hesperidine, or 900 milligram of diosmin and 100 milligram of hesperidine. It is normally excreted through the urine. That is a major source of excretion, and it is mainly recommended or prescribed by doctors for varicose vein, hemorrhoids, and those having issue in terms of blood circulation. Its half-life is about 11 hours. So depending on the level of seriousness of your hemorrhoids or other circulatory issues, the doses can be given as recommended or as prescribed by your doctor. People may be wondering, what class do we put this drug now? Which class can we say Daflon belongs to? Well, Daflon can be put into 4 classes, although they are almost the same thing. Daflon is a venotonic medication. That is, it increases the tonicity of the vein. You can check that out. Number 2, Daflon is a flavonoid. Number 3, Daflon is a venoprotective medicine. Number 4, Daflon is also a venoactive medication. So these can roughly be the classes Daflon can be found in or placed. What are the uses of Daflon? In what case, or what are the cases where Daflon can be recommended or used? We have 4 major uses of Daflon. Number 1, Daflon is used in hemorrhoids. You know, things like pain, swelling, itching, bleeding, they are associated with hemorrhoids. In fact, studies have shown that Daflon can improve bleeding and reduce other symptoms, both in chronic or acute hemorrhoids. Second uses of Daflon. It is used in varicose vein. V-A-R-I-C-O-S-E. Varicose vein. Varicose vein is associated with swelling, as the leg being swollen. It is associated with leg pain, night cramps, leg tiredness, and leg heaviness. So Daflon can also be used to reduce or minimize these symptoms if you are having varicose vein. Number 3 uses of Daflon is in chronic venous insufficiency. It is the situation whereby the veins are weak in returning blood to the heart. So Daflon is given to enhance venous circulation. Number 4 uses of Daflon is in venous leg ulcer. Venous leg ulcers. Daflon can be used in combination with compression methods in alleviating symptoms in patients with venous leg ulcer. How does Daflon work? Number 1, it works in enhancing blood flow in the vein. That's circulation. Number 2, it works in enhancing the tonicity of the vein. Number 3, it works in enabling proper drainage in the capillaries. Number 4, it works in strengthening vein walls. Number 5, it works in reducing inflammation. What are the side effects of Daflon? Remember, every drug has some side effects. Number 1, gastrointestinal disturbances like nausea, stomach pain, stomach discomfort, vomiting, indigestion, diarrhea. Number 2, it has nervous effect like headache, dizziness. Number 3, it has skin effect. It affects the skin in some way like itchiness, hives, and in some rare cases, it can cause increased heart palpitation, increased heartbeats. It can also cause allergic reactions. Who are those that are not permitted to take Daflon? Number 1, pregnant or breastfeeding mothers. Number 2, children. It's not recommended for children. Number 3, those who are allergic to the content in Daflon. That's glycemine and hesperidine. And number 4, those who are allergic to citrus-like derived products. What are the common interactions that normally occur when one take Daflon? One of those drugs that interact with Daflon is what we call anticoagulants or blood thinners, like warfarin, clopidogrel, and so forth. Number 2, they interact with those drugs that are metabolized by CYP2E1 and CYP269 enzymes. Number 3, they also interact with drugs that have P-glycoprotein substrates. Please, if you're on any medication, ensure that you consult your doctor or your pharmacist to know whether you are fit to take this drug. My counseling points for those who are taking this drug or those who might take this drug after watching this video. Number 1, take as prescribed. Number 2, take with food so that it can minimize any stomach disturbance. Number 3, if you are taking it, if your doctor prescribed it for hemorrhoids, ensure that as you are taking it, you are taking enough water. Number 1, as you are taking it, you are also eating fiber-prone food that have fiber. And also ensure that you are not sitting for long. You are not sitting for long. And number 4, ensure that you are exercising yourself. If you are taking it for varicose vein as prescribed by your doctor, ensure that number 1, you avoid prolonged standing or prolonged sitting. Ensure that you always elevate your leg for proper to enable circulation. And number 3, ensure that you also add what we call compression stockings. It also helps to the blood to flow. So what are the possible dosages that your doctor might employ depending on the case severity? For chronic venous disease, 1 daily in the morning with food. Then if you are taking for hemorrhoids, 3 tablets per day for the first 3 days and 2 tablets per day for the next 4 days. These are the possible dosages your doctor can employ, or any other dosage as prescribed or as recommended. Please do well to take. Then in summary, Daflon happens to be one of the most recommended or one of those most recommended drugs for hemorrhoids and venous insufficiency issues. And so this drug called Daflon does not totally cure hemorrhoids or venous insufficiency issues, but rather they reduce to a great extent the symptoms that comes alongside with these diseases. And so this video is for educational purpose, not a medical guidance. Ensure that you get to your doctor or to your pharmacist before taking this drug Daflon. I still remain your favorite pharmacist, Ezekiel. See you in my next video.